Hey guys, Mike with Lakeshore RV. Today I am here with the Forest River Flagstaff Micro Lite. This is the 25FKBS front kitchen bedroom slide. This thing comes in price-wise at about $38,561, or you're looking at about $311 a month for qualified buyers with a down payment. You guys, I can be reached call or text on my cell phone, 231-215-2750. You can call us at the store, 231-788-2040, or check us out, lakeshore-rv.com. Thank you, and let's check it out. Guys, tons of counter space in this thing. Totally towable by a half ton also. It's under 26 feet at 25'11" and weighs about 6,200 pounds. Check this front window, front kitchen, and your living area. Awesome rear bedroom. All right, I look forward to hearing from you. Call or text me, 231-215-2750. Call us at the store, 231-788-2040, or hit us on the website, lakeshore-rv.com. Thank you very much.